Good morning, Heather. This is JT here at Handy's. I just wanted to say thank you for calling in this morning. What I wanted to do is do a quick walk around video on this Prius C and kind of show you those features that you were talking about. So what we'll do is we'll start over on the driver's side, show you how the smart key system works, and then we'll hop on the inside, walk through the features in there. All right, Heather, so like I said, with the Prius C3, you do get the smart key system. It's rather interesting how they work. You do have a little key on the inside just in case the battery dies or anything like that. You can unlock the car and get into it. Otherwise, the idea of the smart key is you never have to touch it. You can unlock the car without touching the key. You throw it in your purse and never have to deal with it. So, as I said, you put it in your pocket. There's little lines on the door that will lock the car. So one touch from that. To unlock the car, you just put your hand inside, and as long as that key is in your possession, it opens right up for you. All right, Heather, so inside this Prius C, with the smart key, you do get the push button start. So same idea. To turn off the car, you just push the button. To turn on the car, you push in the brake, push the button. Once you see ready up on the dash, car is actually on. Obviously, as a hybrid, sometimes people can get confused whether it's on or off. On the steering wheel, you have all of your controls you possibly could need. All your audio controls on the left, your temperature and display buttons on the right, and your Bluetooth function down underneath. So your temperature gauge is right here. As you can see right now, it's set on low. As you push up, your temperature will change. It's automatic climate control, so we'll keep adjusting the fans to keep the car at that temperature that you set. Your display and your trip buttons are going to change up here, and as you can see, when you put your finger over top of it, you're going to see what you're hitting. Your display button is going to change all of these things. Between your energy monitor shows your gas efficiency. Your drive information will give you a gas mileage from start to finish and how much it's actually cost you. A 5-minute fuel consumption, eco savings. Actually, let's do that eco savings. So the eco savings, the benefit of this is you're going to see range in here when you start to drive. I'll show you that in here in a second. It'll show you where you're getting your best gas mileage, as well as it's going to tell you on the bottom how much it's costing you for the trip that you're currently driving on, which is a pretty neat feature. As we move down, you can see you do have the navigation, the Pandora, all the apps, all that kind of stuff. The benefit of Pandora is Toyota bought it, so you no longer get commercials on it, which is nice. And like I said, GPS, so you do have that function in the car. When you hit the audio button, you're going to get all your different sources, 36 preset stations. You do have XM satellite radio as well. And as we move down a little bit more, like I said, it is climate control, so you just set it at a temperature, hit auto, automatically will adjust the fans to keep the car at that temperature. You can control it manually if you want as well. You do have 2 modes of driving, eco mode and EV mode. Eco mode is what you'll drive in 90% of the time, gives you the best fuel efficiency. EV mode is purely on the electrical motor only. You can only really go about a mile or so before it shuts off and you have to run off the gas motor. But it's made so if you have to run around the corner real quick or something like that, you can do it without actually using any gas, which is nice. All right, Heather, so in the back of this Prius C, as you can see, you do have those 60/40 fold seats. Little tab on the inside on the seat. Drop that down. This does come off if you don't want it on there, so that you have more storage. Just pops off on the metal tabs up there. And then obviously I've got plenty of storage room if you need it for that. All right, Heather, so that's a 2012 Toyota Prius C3 certified used car. You get tons of extra benefits with the certified used car, extended warranties. We also offer 1-year free maintenance now on our certified vehicles, which is a nice feature. Give me a call or send me that email with the VIN for your old Matrix so I can give you some numbers on that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Please feel free to email or give me a call at any time, 802-528-2219, or send me an email at jtreigler@handycars.com. Take care, and I hope you enjoy your day.